everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you all the reference book for NEET. Now I have been getting lots of messages and comments to suggest some good reference book for NEET preparation, and a lot of you guys have just landed in 11th grade and have started your NEET preparation journey, and you guys wanted kind of suggestion for NEET reference book. So today I'm gonna be sharing 3 books that will help you throughout your NEET preparation journey. Also, I'm not including lots of other publication books in this particular video because that will make you confused that whether you should go with this book or that book. So just to make it very simple and helpful, I'll be sharing 3 books. The first book is going to be for the notes, and then previous year papers, and then sample question papers. So you guys might know how important notes are, not only for NEET but also for any entrance exam. Now just imagine when the competition time is approaching and you are busy giving mock test and working on your weaker topics. At that moment, will you waste your time making notes? Absolutely no. So what you can do to save your time, just go with this Topper's Handbook by Oswald Books. So this book comes in all 3 subjects, which is physics, chemistry and bio, and along with that this book is for 11th, 12th and entrance exams including medical and engineering. Now this book is really very helpful for understanding the concepts. They have given the conceptual notes as well, so that you don't need to make your separate notes. You will also get mind map in this book, not only for 1 or 2 chapter, but they have given mind map for each and every single chapter. And I think you guys might know how important and helpful mind maps are. They're really very helpful for quick revision, and they gives you an overview about the chapter. They have also given all the important formulas and derivations and conceptual notes. Now these things will really help you to save your time, because you don't need to waste your time making formula sheets and no need to write down the derivations. They've already given everything in this book. And when I say that this book is really helpful for concept clarification, I really mean it, because they have also given this QR code for concept videos. So you just need to scan this QR code and you'll get the concept videos. So the next book is 33 years NEET solved paper. Now this book contains previous 33 year NEET solved paper from 1988 to 2020. Again, this book comes in all 3 subjects, that is physics, chemistry and bio. So first of all, you'll get 11th and 12th syllabus, and then you'll get chapter unit wise weightage for NEET. And then here you will get NEET 2020 solve paper along with the answer key. Not only the answer key, but they have also given the explanation for every single question. They have given the physics and chemistry solution also. Similarly, they have also given 2019 NEET solve paper with answer key. Now they have also given the mind map for each and every chapter. Now these mind map cover the entire chapter in a single page. So here you'll get a table called chapter analysis. This table will help you to understand how many questions have been asked from this particular chapter. They have also given the concept based revision notes, and then you'll get QR code for concept videos. So the next book is NEET sample question paper. Now this book is really going to be very helpful for giving mock test, and you will get 15 sample question paper for physics, chemistry and bio. So first of all, you will get positive affirmation thing here, and then they have also given tips to crack the NEET exam in first attempt. Next you will get syllabus of physics, chemistry and bio, along with that unit wise weightage for NEET. Here you can see they have given the trend analysis, that how many questions have been asked from this particular chapter. Then again here they have given the solve paper of NEET 2020 along with the answer key and detailed explanation. Next you will get mind map and mnemonics for bio. So here they have given mind map for each and every chapter of bio. And similarly they have given mnemonics as well. Now if you guys don't know what mnemonics is, so basically mnemonics is an easy learning trick to memorize something complex and also helps you to remember concept for long time. So they have given mnemonics here. Next they have given mind maps and mnemonics for physics and similarly for chemistry also. So you'll get NEET 2019 solve papers along with the answer key and detailed explanation. And then here they have given 15 sample question paper. At the end of each sample question paper you will get an OMR sheet along with answer key. And here is a QR code scanner for elaborate solution, and every sample question papers have 180 questions. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and the link of all the books is in the description box in case you want to buy them. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you have any question or suggestion for next video, please let me know in the comment section.